Well, okay, we have day 1, 30 cat food received. Oh yeah, I've actually played like the very first route of Battle Cat, so that's why I'm already getting this. So day 1, cat food received. 29 more until you get the special cat. Ooh, so basically we have to log in every day to get these stamps. Cat stamps. Interesting. Congratulations, Korea creator. Ooh, I wonder what this cat ticket is. But anyways, we got it. Oh yeah, I've already battled in Korea with the dog, so that's why. Okay. What's this? Nothing here now. And why put the screen up? No, I don't want this, thank you. Startup power pack. No, I don't want that either. Okay, I've cleared Korea, that's good. Cat ticket earned. 6 more stages, okay. And like I said, this is my first time, so I'm just gonna go through everything here. New store. Can I buy this? Oh, not in the food, never mind. I guess these are like the power-ups. Interesting, but I don't want this for now. But upgrade. Welcome to the cat base. There's new cat waiting to be upgraded. I know. I'm gonna click it. And cat. Yep. The basic cat. The starting cat. Upgrade. There we go. As well as tank cat. Unit acquired. There we go. This is the tank cat. This is the unit for the battle cats. So now I have cat and tank cat. Very cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna go back and stop showing the screen. I guess go back to missions and catnip challenges. What are these? Should I be reading this? I mean, this is too much, but I'm gonna claim. Awesome. Alright. Okay, so we have a mission. Clear Japan and Battle Cat Rising. Complete the 7th stage, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, incomplete, so how do you click it? Main, incomplete. Hold on guys. Wait. See that? Cat, what are you doing? Okay, so basically I'm so stupid. Start button. I was wondering like how am I supposed to go to Japan for this? How to use items? Have an icon you want to use. No, please select your item before battle. Well, I can't click anything yet, so I guess we're gonna go to Mongolia. No, Korea or no, I already completed Korea, so let's go to Mongolia. Attack! Finally, the battle begins. Oh yeah, just to let you know that the mouth of the cats are not actually just one big tube. It's actually like the whole mouth. Yeah, as like a beginner, I actually thought that mouth was actually one big tube. See the other teeth? See the real teeth? Yeah, that's and those are dogs. The battle of the cats is dogs. Ooh, and there's a snake too. Level 2, increase the money cap. Okay, we need to have a tank cat. The more regular. Alright, go get them tank cats. Mongolia. That's weird, Mongolia. Okay, so treasure. Normal portable tent received. Okay, so let's click that. Keep down. Keep your enemies pinned down with cover fire from Sniper the Cat. Let's loose the powerful cannon blast that knocks back enemies. Okay, so let's see. Well, it told me that I unlocked a treasure, but where do you get the treasure from? Like I said, I'm barely learning this game, and if y'all are experts, please let me know how to get the treasure. I know it's not the upgrade. Well, we have enough XP to upgrade the cat again. Same thing with King Cat. Not enough for the cat cannon. So, yeah. Upgrade the research ability to produce more cats in less time. More cats, less time, everybody wins. Yep, good advice, but I don't have enough cat food or XP now. Alright, anyways, on to the next mission. We're going to China. So, attack. We're attacking China. The battle begins. Let's see, we still have Cat and Tank Cat. Oh, their base. Great Wall of China. That's actually pretty creative, considering we're battling in China. So the dogs are coming. They're all coming from the Great Wall of China. Also, fun fact, the Great Wall of China is actually like 14,000 miles long. Yes, that long. That's like enough to almost wrap around the entire Earth. If you were to line up in a straight line. Okay, we're being outnumbered here. There are way too many dogs today for the regular cat channel, so I'm just gonna get that. Increase our winning count. Lots of attack. Pretty good, guys. I'm actually getting the hang of this game. Okay, received. Okay, where are these treasures coming from, though? And what is this post to SNS? Oh. Okay. There's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Alright, so let's go to the upgrade then. Cat. Tank Cat. Ooh, Axe Cat. Unit acquired. Welcome aboard to our army, Axe Cat. You have been officially recruited. Also, you get an early upgrade because I have enough XP. Alright, anyways, let's go. See that inquiry code? Okay, you told me that before, so start. Now we're moving on to Thailand. So far, it's just been the Asian countries, but I think over time, we're going to move to other parts of the world, so attack! Let's go, the battle begins. Also, this might be my last battle since I've already done 2 more. And well, actually 3 others, but one was like off camera while I was not recording. Okay. We've already got some snakes and dogs. So this is not good. Let's see. Think that the Alright, so we can close out there, and, ooh, congrats, what's this? 2,000 XP, nice! So I could possibly upgrade each cat like 3 times at least. Cats love cat food, cheers to cat food. Yes, considering you're a cat yourself. Okay, so, I'm gonna upgrade. It actually costs more XP the more time you upgrade. I mean, the more you upgrade, so I guess 3 times, but one for each cat. Alright, but anyways, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe to PM Pricey Gaming. Also, I do apologize if the camera appears sideways. I don't know what happened with that. It could be like an issue, but anyways, make sure to do that, as well as to my original channel. And I'll see y'all in the next gaming video. Bye. Peace out.